in restoration, we've literally handled the best part of 500 years worth of watchmaking. So it leaves you in this wonderful position where you can start to cherry pick which bits are your favourite, which bits you, having worked on them, feel have aged the best, that are the easiest to repair, even 100, 200 years later. And you can start to use that to inform your own design process. So 248 kind of picks off from where the English industry really started to die out, but then taking on some of the things that we also really like from the 20th century, and being a bit more international as well. So we use German silver in the plates, which is big in South German watchmaking brands, but we just love it. It ages beautifully and it's such a beautiful material to work with. But that's very much kind of more of a German thing than British.
I don't know how else we could have approached the whole idea of a movement really, because to sort of compete at the level of most of the modern commercially available movements, we just couldn't have done it with our tools, or at least I couldn't have done it with these tools. So we had to do something completely different, and we're not doing it on purpose to be different. It's just what we thought we could make with our limitations, and that's it really. Evolved. Yeah, it's kind of how we evolved. As we said before, we only have these tools, and this is how we can make something, and there shouldn't be any rules as to what's right or wrong.
So we started off with all these old tools and equipment, but in a weird way now as the business is growing and we are getting to the size that we could start investing in more modern machinery, we wouldn't want to, because we're just in love with these old machines, and restoring them is such an important part of the watchmaking process, that they all form their own characters. And I don't think we'd ever change the way we work now, no matter what happens.